I grew up in a suburban neighborhood where everyone had that one neighbor with the basketball hoop you secretly envied. There's just something about the swish of the net and the whoomp sound when you miss. You remember who had it. Everyone does. Buying a basketball hoop seems straightforward, but then reality weighs in. Do you want it portable, in-ground, or mounted to the garage? Each comes with its own brand of hassle, and if you mess this choice up, you're stuck with a 300-pound regret. Trust me. Let's break down the classic mistake: buying the cheapest freestanding hoop from your local big box store. Kids dunk once, the whole thing shakes, the sand leaks out, and by winter, it's an accidental bike ramp. $90 turns into landfill. So start with the use case. Is this for a 6-year-old who needs to boost confidence hitting 3-foot jumpers, or is your teenager windmilling dunks on every snap? If you plan to host neighborhood pickup games, you need stability. Think at least a 54-inch backboard and an anchor system, minimum. Rim quality is overlooked more than it should be. Those $100 hoops give you a rim that feels like you're shooting at a frying pan. A breakaway rim is non-negotiable if you want anything resembling that NBA bounce, or if you ever plan on hanging even for a second. Installing an in-ground hoop is a process. I've done it. Dig a hole at least 24 inches deep, pour in 200 pounds of concrete, and use a level every step of the way. Honestly, you'll be more precise with this thing than you are hanging holiday lights. If you want mobility, there's the portable route. You can move it, yes, or at least you dream of moving it. Once you fill the base with water or sand, these beasts weigh 250 pounds. Moving it solo is an upper body workout you didn't ask for. Pro tip: fill your portable hoop base with sand, not water. Sand weighs more and won't freeze and crack the plastic in winter. It costs more and is a pain to empty, but you don't want gallons of icy water bursting out in December. If you're thinking about wall mounting, measure twice, drill once. Nothing feels dumber than realizing your perfect spot has you banking shots off the roof's soffit. Give yourself at least 2 feet of clearance behind the backboard, or enjoy thousands of brick shots. Acrylic backboards look clear and pro, but scratch up fast if you're anywhere near trees or gravel. Polycarbonate is tougher, lasts longer, and doesn't yellow, but lacks that sweet glass bounce. Only go for glass if you want to drop $750 and move it never. Height adjustability is key if you have kids of different ages. Go for a hoop that adjusts from 7.5 feet to 10 feet. A lot of people skip this, and then you've just bought your 6-year-old a monument to their future failure. Budget-wise, you can find hoops from $90 to nearly $2,000. The best bang for buck is always in the $350 to $500 range for a decent stable system that lasts. Anything less, you'll be rebuying next season. Anything more, you better have future NBA plans at home. What I wish someone told me: measure your driveway twice. Think about the games you'll actually play, and settle for nothing less than a breakaway rim. You'll thank yourself for years every time you swish a 3 or posterize your neighbor's kid.